Anyway, today, guys, we've got a guest. Say hello. No way, we've rolled on an argument already. Cheers, mate. We just had the worst burger ever. It was a nice burger, wasn't it? No, nothing. What the fuck is going on here? Is there a nice pub around here? Just, yeah, don't crash. That is nice. Look at this. Oh my. Motherfucker. Right, I would have filmed an intro, but because I'm such a professional, I didn't have any free space on my memory cards. Right here. Anyway, today, guys, we've got a guest. Say hello. Oh, it's on point when it's on point, but when it's not on point, it's out the window. Yeah, it'd be interesting to see if anyone knows who's with me right now. Where are we? Santum. I haven't popped the wheelie on this bike in ages. Gotta be careful down this road. Did he say right or did he say left? He said left, didn't he? What's going on here? Is this an argument? This is an argument. No way, we've rolled on an argument already. Come on, mate, you get a bus through there. Cheers, mate. Should have come over, wind them up, and then like act like the nice guy. Your bike's nice. Thanks. That's why I bought it. Why'd you choose the 09 then? Yeah. Yeah, no, I bet that was scary. I didn't ride for like 6 months and I got on an 07. And I was just thinking, holy f, this is not a beginner's bike. Felt like a rocket, just wasn't used to it. Yeah, no crashes today. Got your gear on? What jeans are they? What, they actually rider jeans? Oh, they're Kevlar. I feel responsible for you today. Like I feel like I'm not supposed to get you a speeding ticket or any points, and no, I'm pretty sensible. Like I actually don't really speed, even though I sped all the way here, but I don't speed. Hey? She's there talking, she's doing all this. I can see she's having a full-blown conversation. The comms is disconnected. Is that a good conversation? No, nothing! Yeah, same! We've got no comms, guys. We can't connect. Road signs! We need to use the road signs. I'm definitely going to get on that bike today, guys. Stay tuned, smash that like button, comment below. Forgotten English. You know what I was trying to say. But yeah, we're on the way to another place. Some other village place, but it looks like they've got more stuff around there, more buildings and that. So hopefully our connections come back. I was going to go around London originally, but she don't like the city, so we're out hitting the lanes. The only MT-09s I've ever ridden have been the sketchiest MT-09s, sketchiest Gen 1 MT-09s. I think both or all three. I feel like I've ridden 3, but both of the ones I can remember was in Brazil, and yeah, they were so sketchy. I think I've got videos of it on my channel if you want to go see it. Be titled "Sketchiest Night Ride" on sketchiest MT-09. What was the name of the place? Half the sign's missing. But it must be that one. It must be that one. Ingdon. You know when people wave on a motorcycle with their right hand, you know they're showing off their cruise control. Because I was thinking, why are these guys always, like all the adventure bike riders, all the GS guys that ride past me on the motorways, they always do this. Like a queen wave. I think, what? Like, that's their throttle hand. Now I know, they got cruise control. Now I'm doing it. Nice, we're back in action. What house? The one with the roundabout? I want a roundabout on my house. And a pair of pillars. This place looks cool. What, SpongeBob's? Oh yeah, what, there's some sort of theme going on around here. This is what adventure bike riders do. I've got to fit into... Oh look, there's another one there, look. It's like... Who the f*** is Mr. Tumble? Oh, I'm on the wrong side. I was going to say, what are you doing on the wrong side of the road for? You know. I keep doing that. I've done it when I pulled away from the sports bike shop. I was pulled out on the right side of the road. That is nice. He was gassed that we noticed that. He was like, yeah, cheers guys, cheers. He literally was saying, he's like, cheers guys. What's it on now? What, you have to get fuel? Yeah, yeah. What, was you late? Oh yeah, I was late, yeah. God, that's not a house, is it? Okay. Right, I actually got a to-do list right now. That's fuel and a drink. That's not a care home. That's a fat house. MT-09 friend there, look. What? You not? It didn't nod at you. What, left.
This motherfucker.
This one. Even though I know I picked up the petrol, I still check the label. What the fuck is going on here? This is... What is this? I filled this up before I left. Look at that. Coming out the bottom or what? Oh, you actually hungry? I'll eat. I can eat. Yeah, I could eat. Yeah, this is nice. So what, how big's your house then? I thought you had a big house. Careful of this hole. Where the fuck are you? Oh, you're back there. Okay. Oh, okay, mind that hole on the left. Oh shit, it's left. Oh, nearly died. Sorry. Yeah, we're just trying to sort the phone call out. And we're lost at the same time. Is there a nice pub around here? No, we're not from around here. Yeah.
Follow it, it's Vicarage Road to the end and right again.
Yeah.
There'll be a sign for the Alford Arms.
Alford.
One of the best pubs around here.
Yeah.
It's,
Alford Arms.
The Alford Arms.
You have to do a U-turn. Got that? What, go that way and do another U-turn and come back this way? We can do that if you want. Yeah, alright, cool, we'll do that. I've just like, I said, yeah, I'll go that way, and then I've said, yeah, cheers, and I'm going the other way. Oh my god, fat houses. You reckon you can U-turn here? Probably look like a boat coming flying down the road. What, here? Here? Oh, nice one, mate! It was them. What? There's a horse. This is the place. Look at this. You gonna be alright here? You gonna be alright going down this, yeah? Look. Yeah? Just, yeah, don't crash. Please don't crash now that I said that. I said, what, is it a quiet pub, yeah? He's like, yeah, that's the quiet one. We just had the worst burger ever. It was a nice burger, wasn't it? No, it wasn't, guys. It was terrible. Right, we're on the move. We're going to a nice, like a manor. I'm going to go manor first. What's your honest thoughts on the burger? Yeah, that was strong. What cheese was that? Just so I know never ever to get a burger with that in it again. Goat's cheese. It was a fat slab, wasn't it? It was like bigger than the actual burger. It was an 8-ounce sirloin burger with a 8-ounce slab of goat's cheese. Alaloli, yeah, whatever that stuff is. Oh, no, that's gonna piss me off. We should have gone there. Look at that. Cool. What Aston Martin you got then? What Aston Martin you got then? Oh, you say it's your auntie? Oh, and you haven't drove it? Yeah, that's annoying. Guys, we're just on the back roads. This is not what I had planned for today. Like, I thought, right, we're gonna go through the city, tear it up. But this is cool, this is a good switch up. Chilled country vibes. But that's a big house down there. This is the way the maps is taking us. We had 3 routes to choose from. I thought this would be the best one, but I'm regretting that. This is techie. Oh, I missed the turn. Meant to go that way. Oh, you're joking. We got to do a U-turn. This is gonna be techie as well. Got it? The other U-turn was techie. Yeah? Did you see where I was looking down? Yeah, that was the place it was trying to have us go. Yeah, yeah. But yeah, we gotta go back, take that turning. Home sweet home. Imagine. Yeah, come in, mate. I'm in the 32nd room. Look at this. Oh my god. I'm gonna get the best photo ever. Oh, I'm in neutral.
GBX on this motherfucker.
This is cool.